Hi guys, welcome to Arizona Rock Garden Designs with me, Julie E, and Taz. One of my viewers says that her daughter just loves it when Taz makes an appearance. So here he is, making a special appearance just for you. Yep. Oh, you want to wave goodbye? Say bye. We gotta go paint now. Yeah, we gotta go paint now. Okay, down you go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're just joining us for the first time, this is Arizona Rock Garden Design with me, Julie E. And while you're here, please consider liking, sharing, subscribing. It costs you nothing and it helps me a bunch. So, on to what we're doing today. What is all this, you ask? This doesn't look like paint pouring. Well, no, it's not. It's embellishing a paint pour. Now, if you look back through my videos, I believe the last video, you will see I did this flip cup and on Artapalooza, and we named it Splat. Because to me it looks like a butterfly, and Tish said it looks like a butterfly that hit a windshield. So, we named it Splat. And I'm going to embellish it, but I'm not going to embellish it a normal way, which would probably be the easiest way, but I don't own a Posca pen. I don't own any paint markers of any kind, but what I do own is nail foil kits and mica powders. So what I do with them is I usually paint rocks, and that's what I use on my rocks. And I go over it with the nail foil. It's nail foil glue right there. Hopefully you can see it. It's by Mica Art. Mica Art, I believe is how it's pronounced. And you can get different kits. I got the kit that comes with the UV light. And you lay that down, and then after that, we brush on some chrome mica powders. And then that'll be sealed. This will be sealed in resin. This I will probably just varnish. We'll see how it comes out first. So that's what I've got planned today. And you can get these kits on Amazon. I'm not an affiliate. I don't have a link to go through my Amazon shop or anything like that. So if I can find the link to the product itself, I will put that in the description. And then the mica powders we're going to be using are from Island Micas and More, from Samantha Gonzalez. What else? I can't think of anything else off the top of my head, but yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. And we're going to be using this one, the nail foil art glue. Okay? And with the UV light, every UV light is different. Every type of foil glue is different. I usually have to hit my light 3 to 4 times to get the right dryness that I want. So, just let you know that. And, okay, I'm going to bring you down in on this and probably speed things up and listen to some music. So I will see you in a bit. Guess what? I forgot to tell you what else you needed. Okay. These are little disposable eyeliner brushes, and I got those off of Amazon too. The disposable ones work the best because that nail glue, foil glue, is very sticky and it's a pain in the butt. But the best way to get it out of any of your brushes and stuff is regular acetone nail polish remover. So that works best. So you might want to get these. And then for applying the chrome powder, I just buy these little packs of Dollar Tree makeup wands, and they just pull right out, and then you just brush on your chrome powders with that. Or you can use a brush also. So, okay. And I don't brush directly out of the bottle. I always pour out some from the bottle, and I save all my little bottle caps off of stuff. Yes, I'm a cap hoarder, but I put paints in these, I put nail polish remover in them, I put my nail glue in these. That's how I recycle my caps and use my caps. So, among other things. They're really good to set underneath your coasters too when you resin your coasters, because the resin peels right off of these. Nothing sticks to these. It's awesome. Okay, back to this. Here it is. There is the new and improved Splat. And it's ready now for its forever home. So I should be putting this up in my shop within the next 4 to 5 days. The name of my shop is AZ Rock Garden. And I have lots of stuff in there if you want to go check it out over on Etsy. You can check me out on Facebook too, under Julie Eber, E-I-B-E-R. Yeah, I think it came out really good. It went from splat to that. But yeah, I just love working with the nail foil glue and the chrome mica powders. It's so much fun. So, okay. Till next time, guys. Loves and hugs, y'all. Bye.